Raising children in an ever-changing world is not without its challenges. Some children might be delayed, falling behind, or not meeting their milestones. Others have different ways of learning and understanding the world around them. The one thing all these children have in common is you, the loving, dedicated parent who wants what's best for your child. Feeding is not just eating and calories. Communication is not just spoken words. Together, these are the two most important areas for establishing healthy patterns and relationships. Welcome to the Airplane Spoon. We are a team of specialized therapists, educators, and coaches who work directly with you and your child. Through our dual home model, we can better understand you and your child's needs, as well as amplify your strengths. At the Airplane Spoon, our mission is to impact the lives of the children, families, and communities we serve by empowering them to truly connect and create meaningful relationships. How can we power your family's connection?